Hey guys, welcome to Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to convert Maven project into Gradle. Yeah. So here, just for this demo, first of all, I'm going to create a Maven project, and from that project, I will try to convert into Gradle project, right? So I'll go to I'm in my Eclipse ID. I'll go to the new, and here I'll go to the project, and here I'm going to create first of all Maven project. Inside the Maven you have a Maven project. Select that one, and here I'm going to click on, let's select this, create a simple project, skip archetype selection, and click here. We have to specify the group ID, that I'm going to specify com.kk Java Tutorials. Yeah. And artifact ID is nothing but the project name. I would say my demo, right? And packaging I'm keeping as it is jar itself, and click on the finish. So here you can see Maven project has been created with pom.xml. Very simple. There is no any dependency, right? So here model version always is 400, group ID whatever we had specified, and then artifact ID nothing but our project name, and this is a snapshot version which indicates that our project is in development phase. Now I'm going to create src main Java. I'm going to create a package this with I will get to package name com.kkjavatutorials.client, and class name just I'm going to create as test. Yeah, and click on finish, and here this will have a main method, and just I'm going to print a simple message, hello what. Yeah, now this is just a Maven project, right? Now I would like to convert into Gradle project. So what I'll do, I'll right click on this project, I'll go to the project location, basically project root path. Okay, and here where our pom.xml is located, and here I'm going to open a command prompt. So make sure that your command prompt is pointing in your root folder of your project, and here I'm going to issue some command like Gradle, and we have a task is called init, right? Just press enter. So this guy is going, this task init task, Gradle init task is going to convert Maven into project.xml. Maven into Gradle. So this is asking found a Maven build, generate a Gradle build from this. Either directly you can press enter or type yes and press enter. So this guy has created all the files and folders which is basically required to work with the Gradle project. Here you can see this script build.gradle has been generated. If you open, then here you can see so all the basically that takes your pom.xml and converts corresponding scripting file for a Gradle, right? So if I go to the Eclipse, and here right click on the project and click on the refresh, right? So here you can see all the files and folders which is required to work with the Gradle has been generated, right? So we have a build.gradle, which is the build script file for Gradle, and this Gradle w, which is for basically this is a file for basically when you are working on like Mac OS or Linux, then this will be useful. We have a bash file for Windows, right? And this pom.xml basically converted into build.gradle, right? Now if I go to this and try to run this project, this should run perfectly fine. Yeah, so here you can see still we are getting the output. So it's very easy to convert basically Maven project into Gradle. Just you need to use init task of Gradle, and first of all you need to just open a command prompt and point to your root directory of your project, and there you have to just issue Gradle init. Init is nothing but it's a task, right? Already predefined task in Gradle. Using that you can convert Maven project into Gradle. So that's all I have in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.